So previously we triggered our build like manually, right? Like just we triggered for this project, right? Jenkins feature test, which I created a job. And for that, I triggered a build manually when I clicked on the build now, right? When you click on this, now you can see the output. This is how my browser launched and all everything happened. After that, like there was feature zero failure, zero errors kept, whatever the report is that, you'll get it here. Okay, this was my report. Now, second feature is like build periodically, we'll take it later. Now we'll take a feature of send a email. Okay, send an email wala option, we'll take it. We'll see how to configure that. Okay, this is my job, right? Before getting into this, go to your back to project, go to your dashboard. Okay, once you come to dashboard, okay, go to your manage Jenkins configuration. Okay, just come to the section, just leave it as it is, whatever is there, just ignore this. Okay, okay, come to extended email notification. Okay, extended email notification. Enter the SMTP server as smtp.gmail.com. Okay, and SMTP port is 465. I'm configuring it for my Gmail. I'm configuring it for my Gmail account. That is my blessing account. Okay, this is my account. For this, I'm configuring for this email ID. Okay, in your case, when you're working in your company, for your Outlook SMTP port and all, your technical team, they would provide, okay, and you can take it from there, the SMTP detail, and you can configure. Okay, so SMTP server is you'll provide smtp.gmail.com. Okay, port is 465, it is 25 or 570 something, I guess. Let's check me. Okay, it can be a 465, 587 or 25 port. As of now, first try with 465. If it is not working, later you can try with others. Okay, done. Enter these two things. After entering these two things, okay, just come here, just leave it as it is, come here, go to email notification. Okay, email notification. Again, here give the SMTP server as smtp.gmail.com. Okay, click on advanced. Okay, click on advanced. Here, enter the username and password, your Gmail user ID and Gmail password. Okay, I have already entered, so it is locked. Okay, in your case, it will ask you for, just enter that and check. Okay, it will just do. After that, click on use SSL. Okay, SSL done. Here also select the 465 port, and you should know now you configured your email address, right? For with this email ID, you're configuring. Now just select the recipient mail address. It can be like it can be me, you, anyone in the team. Okay, configure here. So if you want to apply your multiple email address, you can select it by comma. Okay, done. Here, if you want to test the configuration now, like whatever you have configured, two things mainly you configured, right? One is SMTP server, email address and password, then is checked SSL and SMTP port. These are the main things, right? Okay, click on apply. Okay, and save. Done, right? Now I want to test my configuration. Test the recipient. Now I'll just, as of now, I'll keep the recipient also as this one only. Okay, test my configurations. Okay, for testing purpose, I'm just checking, okay, is my configuration is working fine or not? It is telling email has been sent. Okay, now I configured this thing recipient as my blessing, right? Okay, I'll go ahead there. Okay, and I configured. See, I'm getting my email. Okay, so this is how we are supposed to configure. Now I configured with my email. Now I have here some template also, is it? So here what I'm doing is subject, I just have given a test email. Okay, and default content, like whatever the content you want to give here, you can give. Now easily I got a test email. I tested my configuration part is done properly. Second thing is now I should go to job. For that job, I should map this, right? So how do I do that? Now I'll go to my dashboard. Okay, I'll go to my dashboard, Jenkins feature test. Okay, and I'll go to this thing, right? So here I'll just have my job. This is called my job, right? So I'll go to configure. Okay, this all email is like once the build is triggered, just think build is done. Like after that, it has to send a mail and all, right? Okay, after it has to send the email. So this is post step, right? Go to post step. Okay, select on post step here. Um, editable email notification. Okay, editable email notification. Uh, here is like here is just leave it as it is. Okay, advanced setting. Okay, advanced setting. Here, one more thing I just forgot to show you. You can just make it as always send. Okay, or you can make it as like you can change it to only at failure, only at path. That I'll show it to you. I don't want to send it to anyone, just like whomever like I. Okay. Just a mistake. I was supposed to cancel that. I cancel this. Okay. Just give me a moment. Okay, we'll go to post steps, editable email notification. Okay. In this case, just leave it as it is. Advanced setting. Okay, here remove, you can send it to recipient list. Recipient list is the one which we configured in our configuration, right? Let it be. Just I'll remove my developers. Okay, as of now I don't want to send it to my developer. I've selected this. Okay, and after selecting this, I'm just doing for this job apply. Okay, and close. Apply and I saved. Okay, so this configuration always and all option was there, right? From where you can see, I'll just show you once. Okay, now this. Manage Jenkins. We configured our email feature, right? So for this always that and all, we'll just go here. So here, one thing you will have to select is you will have two options. It can be a plain text or HTML. Okay, I'm going with HTML report because it will be in better way to read. Okay, I've selected that. And where is that? So I think I have configured, so I'm not able to see. In your case, you'll have an option, okay, here always or like on failure, on pass, you'll get that option. Select always option, okay, as of now, because we are testing. So in your case, in your like when you start working in a real time, you can see like whichever the way your requirements is in that way, like on pass, on every 1 hour, like you can send an email in that way. But as of now, just whenever you trigger your build, select always option. Okay. So that once you configure that, that always you'll be able to see in a like particular job. Okay, done. Now after doing that, like my build is ready, right? My job is ready. This was my job. Dashboard, this was my job. Now see, will I get now I'm triggering my build again. Okay, I'll just trigger my build again, build now. Okay, we'll see whether will I get email or not. Okay, it is running. build is getting triggered. Just as you can see, build is getting triggered. Okay. Just see, it is getting triggered. Once it is done, I should get the email. Okay, let's wait. Okay, let's wait for this. Okay, I just missed one thing here. Project recipient list. I need to give it from here. Blessings. I'll just do one thing. I'll just send my email, configure my email address there. Okay. I'll configure recipient list, whichever I want to. And you can see a comma separated list email address that should receive the notification. Means like if you want to see me send to your multiple team member, obviously you'll have to send it to each one of them, right? You can configure with separated it, comma, and enter the second email address. Okay. I've sent the recipient list. Okay. Just apply, save. Okay. Done. Now what I'll do, I'll build it again. I'm building it manually as of now. Okay. Now the build is getting triggered. Okay. Console output. Let's wait. So as you saw that like my build got triggered, I had triggered the build manually. Okay, as of now. And you can see here, it just did all the things. After that, like post build actions, right? Okay, post build actions are like this one, right? These are the things like I had email was triggered for always because I had selected always. Then I had configured blessing.this email address and it's finished. Now let's see like if I have got that email. See, I've got the email automatically. Okay, this is how it happens in the real time, like configuration or email and all. Okay, I've created a job, I'm creating it manually. Then like I have configured my email address. Then whenever my build is getting triggered, the report, it will be sent to the particular emails. It can be to your manager, it can be to your TL, it can be to you, your team member, your colleagues, all of them. Okay. This is all about like how to configure email. As if now we have configured with Gmail. So in your real time, they'll ask you to configure with Outlook, particular SMTP setting, you can do it. So in order to do this, you here also you have few prerequisites. Okay. First thing is your Java 8 should be installed. Okay. Second thing is like just to practice, here you should allow security. So just go to your you can go to Google account security less secure app, turn on the access, that one you can do it. Okay. Or just to get an email, else automatically you will not get an email. Or go to this link. Okay. It'll go to your email and like go to your email account to which you want to configure that Jenkins. Here, allow less secure apps, you just turn it on. Okay, else it will not allow you to do it. Okay, once it is done, then once you follow the step whichever I've said, it will just work for you. Those links and all I'll provide it in the description box. Okay. Thank you guys. That's all about Jenkins email configuration. In like upcoming thing, we'll see like how to build it periodically or how to schedule a job on the particular build basis or on the new update basis. The second option which I said. Okay. So we'll see that. That's all about today. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. If you'd like, please do like the thing and subscribe the channel.